Looks like another good ski day. Let's go over the equipment, all right? So here we have our waxless skis, and just to show you, this is the part that when you're stepping down you get a little grip, and this other part is the glide area. So when you're pushing down, you get a little grip, and then when you're going forward, you're sliding on the other parts. Notice when you're gliding, it's up. When you're skiing, it's down. Here we have our boots, and they click in right in the front. And there's some play there. And then we have our poles. And these are waxless skis, but over time the coating kind of wears off, so I usually give a little bit of this quick wax each time. And this is applied only on the areas that glide.